In this video, I'll show you how to get a PayPal link to receive money. First, log into your account at PayPal. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the option called Send and Request or Request Money, depending on your account type. Next, click Request Money. PayPal will give you options for receiving payments from other people. After that, look for your PayPal.me link if you have already created one. This is a personalized payment link that allows others to send you money quickly. If you don't have a PayPal.me link yet, click Create PayPal.me profile and choose a unique username. Once the setup is complete, PayPal will generate your personal payment link. Now copy your PayPal.me link. It will usually look something like paypal.me/your name. Next, share the link with the person who needs to send you money. They can open the link, enter the amount, and complete the payment directly through PayPal. After that, monitor your PayPal account for incoming payments. Any money you receive will appear in your PayPal balance. Finally, you can transfer the funds to your linked bank account whenever you're ready. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to get a PayPal link to receive money. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.